Hi guys! Welcome to the first episode of Simple Grind Podcast. My name is Coach Nicolo. And in this podcast, we're gonna be inviting some guests over. And basically, we're just gonna talk anything under the sun. Whether it's basketball, business, hobbies, cars, anything. So, this is one way na matuto tayo and makilala pa natin yung mga guests natin outside of their craft. So, and for our first guest, he's a 9-time PBA champion, founder of Philam Nation Select, and of course one of the GOATs, one of the best point guards in Philippine basketball, Crunchman, Alex Cabagnot. So ngayon, susunduin natin siya, of course, using the all-new luxury sedan of BYD. It's called Seal. Grab driver po, andito na po ako sa Tower 2. Okay, I'll wait for you here, bro. Let's go!
Saan na sa likod? Ay, wala ka sa likod? Akala ko.
How are you, bro?
Oh my gosh. Lovely.
Lovely.
Tesla. But it's not.
BYD tayo, bro.
BYD. This is better than a Tesla, bro.
Of course.
Naghika ako kahapon eh. Kasi huwag na muna. Chill lang muna. Comfortable status. Just be comfortable. Just be comfortable.
Chill lang.
Mic check, mic check.
Hello, hello. So guys, our first special guest, the Crunchman.
The one and only. Ay, pucha.
Turn left on Paseo de Rojas.
522 horsepower to, bro.
Bro, this is fast, man. Did you charge?
A little. Full charge is 580 kilometers.
Really?
Yeah.
Hi everyone, you're tuned in to Subconsciously Speaking with me, Alex Cabagnot. I have a very, very special guest today. You guys will know him. He's been in the basketball scene for quite some time. He was actually with Magnolia, working with them. That's why they went to the semifinals, finals. A guy that got me ready back to the PBA, game ready. I tore my Achilles and I seeked his guidance, and
right 2 lanes to continue
parang inaraw-araw namin yung Simple Grind, but one of the best trainers in my opinion, not just for the youth but also for professionals as well. Nicolo Chua, Simple Grind.
Yes, sir.
What's up, brother? I love this car you have right here.
Okay naman.
Oh,
BYD Seal, bro.
Build your own dream. Build your dream.
Red light camera ahead.
Oh my God. Well, ano natin na yan, bro? Ano natin? What's your next conquest? Kasi last time you were in Singapore.
Red light camera
Ano mga
ahead.
last conquest natin?
Next week I'll be in Iloilo.
Oh, hometown.
Yeah. Hopefully this first quarter of the year matuloy yung Middle East tour natin.
Yes.
Hopefully with Philam Nation Select.
Collaboration.
Para tayong ano nun, bro, OFW. no?
Oil riggers. So are you gonna travel there with what? You're gonna travel there with a team? We're gonna go in there with some Navy SEALs, or we have coaches there now?
I think it's better if tayo yung magdala mismo ng coaches doon,
yes.
di ba? Para at least we can bring in different coaches, like strength and conditioning coaches, di ba? Para at least hindi lang puro basketball skills, hindi lang puro team concept, but also, maturuan din, ma-share din natin yung knowledge natin
to the coaches there.
Yeah, di ba?
And that's the most important part. Kasi we could train the kids all we want, pero pag alis na natin, if the coaches didn't absorb, how could they continue, diba?
Coaches and their parents.
Parents,
diba?
oo.
So minsan, yun yung mga nagiging kulang sa camp. Ang akala nung mga ibang nagtuturo, okay lang na like players lang yung tuturuan nila, but the fact is you need to educate the parents talaga kasi yan yung mas makakasama ng bata eh.
True.
Diba?
True. Kailangan nila ma-absorb din yung mga
Yeah.
like the workouts,
Red
why
light,
you're
camera
doing it.
Yeah.
And you said you just took a class.
Yeah.
You're
So,
taking a class.
200 meters.
Share that
the
with us.
right 3 lanes to continue straight on Ayala Avenue.
if you're
west.
familiar with Micah Lancaster,
Yeah.
yeah, so
I am possible.
yun. So medyo alam mo yun, different approach. He's more into the accountability
Yes.
nung
Continue
mga
straight on
bawat
Ayala
moves.
Avenue west.
Not really game situational but more of game skill situational, something
Yeah.
like
Red
that.
light,
So
camera
And
ahead.
I would call it in a way where body placement,
yeah.
like accountability with your body.
Mhm.
You have to dip your ano ba yun, get the
Mga-
cones, put your hip down, foot placement,
Mhm.
body enhancement.
More on pang youth siya eh.
Yeah.
Diba?
Di,
Kasi
pero pwede din yun sa pro.
pwede naman, pero
Super pwede yun sa pro. bro.
it's more on kasi syempre kapag pro ka na, you already got a set of moves na eh.
Yeah.
Kung like either you're a very good scorer or shooter ka or you're just a 3-and-D guy. Kumbaga, andun na yung skill set mo na yun eh.
That's true. Yeah.
Pero syempre kapag bata, syempre gusto mo matutunan nila as much skill as they can have.
Of course. Of
Diba?
course.
And then they'll just figure it out. Like pagdating nila ng high school, college, anong type ba sila ng player magiging,
Uh-huh.
'di ba? Or what suits them the best, something like that.
No. Actually, ano, so you taking a class, meaning to say, parang ano yun, seminar, mga ganon. Nagsa-seminar.
Certification, something.
Certification, yeah.
Oo.
But, so you had another coach, Brian ba yun? Brian? Yung, the American from Florida?
By any means.
By any means.
By any means. So si Coleman. Dito
Oo.
tayo, bro.
Oh,
Dito, diba? Yeah. So,
chill lang tayo.
Yun, mahilig rin siya mag-travel all around the world, you know. Sa kanya ako nakuha to eh. Like, pero syempre ako, more of Philippines, a little bit of Asia.
Yeah.
Diba? So yung sa kanya world talaga eh. So hopefully, we'll get there.
Well, we're going to, that's one step to the other world right there, Saudi Arabia.
Yeah.
That's a lot of people don't like to go to Saudi Arabia because they have a different outlook or a different mind of what Saudi Arabia is.
Mhm.
Pero
Red light,
ganda sa
camera
Saudi
ahead.
Arabia.
Oh.
OFW vibes muna tayo.
Masyado nang mura yung Philippine peso sa'yo, bro. Kailangan. Ano dun? Dirham?
Dirham.
Dirham.
Yeah, dirham. Yeah. Maganda mo yung mga gold doon.
Ikaw naman, bro. How's your, since, coming back from the Achilles injury, you know, bumalik ka with Terra Firma, and then you got to Taiwan, to Korea, and now with Converge. What's next for you?
You know,
ano mo?
well, right now it's the present, so pinafocus ko lang talaga yung, you know, I want Converge to
Red light,
go
camera
somewhere further that they've never been before, right? Just being a part of a winning team, a winning organization is, ayun na lang yung habol ko na yun eh, diba? Parang, you know, you don't want to end,
Red
I don't want
light,
to end my
camera
career in a team that is not gonna,
Yeah.
you know, be top 4, top 2.
Bro,
Oh.
yung pagdating mo pa lang doon, sobrang laking bagay nun. Not like, no joke,
You think
bro.
so? You think so?
Kasi
Oo.
like, well, kahit hindi ka naman nila pinapalaro, your
Yeah.
presence, you know, guiding the young stars right there. Stockton.
I think
Jordan.
one of that you mentioned,
Diba?
Stockton. He's up and coming, man.
Di ba?
He's up and coming.
Tsaka ang maganda sa kanya, sponge siya eh.
Masipag.
Masipag. Tsaka kahit hindi siya yung parang, alam ko na yan.
Yeah,
Di ba?
yeah.
Papakinggan ka niya sa'yo, sa akin. Papakinggan ka niya ano yung mga kailangan na improve pa niya. Di ba? With his strength and conditioning, di ba? Sobrang sipag. So,
Well, that's what changed for him. I think that's what changed for him. I think he got stronger. Kasi yung mga moves na pinapagawa mo naman, if you're not strong talaga, wala eh. Olats eh. Diba? You have to have, especially yung mga crossover pullback, speed stop. Kailangan may strength ka dun eh. But, you know, moving forward for me is like, hopefully we could get a coaching job somewhere. A managerial job or something of rather. Pero, you know, I think that those things will handle itself. Alam mo naman, yung mental capacity ko is like, I never want to think of a backup plan. Just what's in front of me, what I'm doing
Stay in
right
the
now.
present, no?
Stay in the present. This is what I'm doing. Ayoko pag-isip lang, oh sige, meron naman tayong gagawin next week or next year. No, I think that will lose the present yung gift ng presence, diba? Present. So yun, dito muna ako. Actually, when you started coming to I think 1 year tayo hindi nag-training eh.
Mga ganun.
1 year tayo because I was busy in Korea, Taiwan. But when we got back, I think your training changed a little bit.
Paano mo nasabi, bro?
Well, when we used to train, we used to do a lot of shooting. We used to do a lot of shooting, and then I think we had that conversation of, you know, yung mga, I mean, when I train, I just sumasabay lang ako sa younger guys because it's really for them. It's really for them. Like, at this point in my career, I'm riding in their coattails now, right? Like, sumasakay na lang ako sa kanila, and we had a conversation. I go, man, these guys, they shoot a lot of spot-up shots. Let's have more dribbling. And when you showed your dribbling, yung mga half step, yung mga pullback, yung mga ganun with the basketball. Well, for me, because ang tagal natin hindi nag-training, so parang na-feel ko, bago to ah.
Siguro for me, bro, is in a pro's perspective.
Yeah.
So let's say magte-training tayo before or after your team trainings, right? Team practices, right? Yung shooting kasi, yes, of course it's important. Pero kahit wala ako, magagawa mo na yun eh.
Yeah, true.
'Di ba? So, yung parang yung mindset ko going in there, gusto kong gumawa ng mga drills, ng mga movements na hindi mo masyadong ginagawa.
True.
'Di ba? Na parang 'di ba? Sometimes you really need a trainer or just someone na mag-guide sa iyo, 'di ba? Na alam yung laro mo,
Yes.
alam yung mga strengths and weaknesses mo. Yeah, so doon ako nagpo-focus kung ano yung mga hindi masyado ginagawa ng players on their own.
Yeah.
For example, I think it's Alec, Shawnee last time, nag 2-ball dribbling lang kami.
Yeah.
And other drills were pretty basic, pero dahil nga hindi nila masyadong ginagawa yon, more of, bro, pag pupunta ka naman sa practice, ano ka na eh, shooting,
Yeah.
'di ba? Warm up shooting ka na.
Meron parang curriculum na siya.
Wala ano. But sometimes it helps, like, you know, twice a week you do those kinds of moves. Add mo yun sa parang routine mo.
Like, what helps,
diba?
bro? Laking bagay na yun. Twice a week nga, kulang pa nga yun eh. I mean, if you set aside 10 minutes of practice time on just specifically on dribbles, laking bagay yun.
Oo.
Laking
Every
bagay
day mo
yun.
gagawin.
Every day mo, kahit
Diba?
na 7 minutes nga lang eh.
Di ba?
Just with my good friend Nico Chua. Simple grind. Bro, so we were talking about a while ago yung mga different competitive mga different competition from different organizations. Let's talk about you going to Magnolia. Like, how was that for you? How was that, like, I guess you could always hold that above everybody else because you work for a PBA team. So how does that play? Like, how did you like it, first of all, like, personally?
Kung ano yung nafe-feel nila, yung mga pressure sa games, kahit wala akong bonus nun. Di ba? Kahit wala akong bonus nun, sige lang, okay lang. Pero yung experience lang na umabot kami ng finals nun.
Yeah,
So,
yeah, exactly.
so meron kang quarterfinals, how you prepare for each game. So, of course, marami ka nang napagdaanan na playoffs, di ba? So, wala na masyadong practices yun.
Yeah.
Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, ganun na lang yung mga so
Did you adjust your training? Like when you would go
oo.
to practice, you'd be
Kumbaga, kasi Magnolia wala na naman talagang teaching point dyan eh.
like,
Polishing the moves na lang. Alam mo yun?
yeah, of course.
Lalo na kapag playoffs, alam mo yun, punta kami ni Paul maaga sa venue, practice kami, shooting na kami. And sobrang saya kasi it's literally the dream ng isang skills trainer.
Yeah, exactly.
Diba? It's the dream na parang yung team na hinahawakan mo, unfortunately hindi nga lang nanalo, pero sobrang like
What do you guys lose to in the final there?
San Miguel.
San Miguel.
And sobrang rin bro, sobrang nakakatuwa kasi of course yung coaching staff ng Magnolia, sobrang niyan bro, sobrang gagaling. Diba? Coach Juno Soler, Coach Jason Webb,
Did they let you do your
Johnny
thing?
Oo naman.
They let-
It's more of kasi nakafocus lang naman ako dun sa big three,
Big three. Or whoever wants to join.
Gio, Paul, Mark, and then everyone else has their own coach. Sometimes Rome at that time and Jerick, pero it's more of may mga sariling naka-coach na naka-focus sa inyo. So yeah, sasabihan ako ni Coach Chito na focus mo to kay ganito. Ito yung mga nangyayari sa kanya. And syempre, nagfi-film kami, so
Nakikita mo rin.
Oo, 'di ba? So just how they prepare for games, sobrang ang dami kong natutunan.
At that point, it's the
Oo.
best of the best right there. Best
Diba?
preparation, wins,
Diba?
best everything. Anybody that's
So mempo lang talaga, alam mo yun, like
availability.
yung breaks of, yung alam mo yun,
Game
breaks of
7
the
ba yun?
series, Game 6.
Game 6.
Game 6. San Miguel went up 2-0. They adjusted yung import namin. Yun na yung
At the
pinangbantay na agad sa import si Boatwright.
Boat ride, yeah.
'Di ba?
okay.
Normally, normally fourth quarter pa yan sila magbabantayan.
Yeah.
Ang nangyari ngayon,
Kailangan na.
Oo, like first quarter, talagang backs
Bantayan
against
mo
the wall
na.
ka na eh. 2-0 ka na eh.
Yeah.
So 0-2 ka na eh. So talagang nag 2-all, 3-2,
Wow.
'di ba? Nag 2-all, nag 3-2 San Miguel. We were supposed to win that
That 3-2.
that 3-2.
That pivotal
Oo.
game right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pero alam mo 'yun. Pag hindi para sa hindi talaga para sa
Hey.
'Di ba?
Sarap nun. Well, I mean, it's still
Oo.
going to the finals. I mean, now you go back to competing with other organizations. You're just like, well, it's like I've done it already. I've reached the top.
Alam mo na kung paano mag-prepare.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Yung isang at least alam mo 'yun, na-experience ko yung to be part of a high caliber, like championship caliber team in the PBA,
The best of the best.
'di ba?
The best Filipinos around the world.
Mhm.
That's it right there. That's what it is about championship games. It's like there's so many Filipinos all over the world. You know this, from Dubai, from Saudi, from Canada. Those 35 guys or those 40 guys, that's the best of the best.
Tsaka of course, you know this, yung mga iba hindi na naiisip sobrang hirap yung playoffs ng PBA.
Super.
Best of 5, best of 7.
Oh my God.
Grabe, yung adjustments na alam mo yun, yan lang ulit yung kalaban nyo eh. Ano pang adjustment yung gagawin nyo?
Exactly. You gotta
Diba?
look for it.
Di ba? Lalo na yung kayo, 0-3 kayo.
Yeah.
Alaska? Was that Alaska?
Alaska, yeah.
Di ba? 0-3 talagang what? Like for sure syempre pumapasok sa isip niyo nun positive mindset kayo nun.
But still.
Pero ang hirap isipin na, oh shit, we gotta win 4 straight.
We gotta win 4 straight.
Di ba?
Well, actually, we were just thinking one game at a time. That's so cliche, but it was literally one game. As soon as we won game 4, we were like, oh, okay, at least
nakabutas na.
Nakabutas, and then it's not a sweep.
Mhm.
Ayun ang iniisip mo, fuck, at least nakabutas na, hindi sweep, hindi nakakahiya.
Kung hindi, patay kayo kay nun. Boss RSA nun.
Boss RSA.
Pag na-sweep kayo nun.
Shout out to Boss RSA. Shout out to Boss Al Francis. The legends of their time. The
Bro,
legends right now.
Is that the series where Alaska is just calling timeouts
Yes.
at the
Yes.
start of each game para ubusin na yung timeouts
They
nila?
did it game 7.
Okay.
So going into game 7, we already knew we were gonna win.
Okay.
The momentum was already on
Okay,
our side.
yeah.
Junmar had a whole week to, kasi na-injure siya eh.
Mhm.
First 3 games na-injure siya.
Mhm.
Bumalik siya game 4, nag-zone kami.
Mhm.
Bumalik siya game 5. So after we won game 6, we were like, Junmar was like, okay, I feel good. May kumpiyansa na ako sa Nico. And when he got confident,
Lahat.
we were just like,
Nadala na.
oh, it's too late already.
Mhm.
So, ayun, nag-time out sila at that point. Which is funny, that's the same franchise that I play for now.
Yeah. Diba?
Yeah, well, I mean, let me ask you
Uy.
a question. I know you answered this kanina. Pero, yung reception ba sa'yo? Like, siyempre you have to be with the big 3. Yung big 3 na yun, kailangan nila at least 12 points and above to win. At least,
Kailangan lahat sila gumawa.
kailangan sila firing at all ends, you know, right? Was there any pressure, or what's the reception to you? Or may pressure ba sa'yo?
Para sa akin, bro, wala na. Kasi I just gotta do my own thing.
Oo.
Practicing ko sila. Hindi ko na mahahawakan yung kung ano yung i-produce nila sa game eh.
Oo.
So just gonna do my own thing
Try
and
to make a left.
'di ba?
Oo.
More of nasa kanila yung pressure.
Yeah.
'Di ba?
Pero, you know, at that moment in time, you know, the coaches are like, oh, ito na naman. Pwede ba tayo mag-U-turn dito?
I think so. Ay, hindi. Diretso pa.
Dito tayo.
I don't really think about that, bro. Yung kunyari kung ano yung mga isipin ng mga coaches
Red
at that
light
time.
camera ahead.
Basta tingin ko, basta
You're just living your dream.
that's one. And basta para sa akin, para sa mga players, like okay yung ginagawa ko, yung mga players sang-ayon din dun sa ginagawa ko, and it's within the system, 'di ba?
Your conscience was clear.
Yes, bro. So before we end
Yes.
before we end our first podcast,
Car podcast.
car podcast,
Build your dream.
kung meron kang matitip or meron kang mapapayo sa isang
Red light camera ahead.
20-year-old Alex Cabagnot, ano yun?
Don't be in a rush to get better. Put that work in. Get a rigorous. Invest early. Invest early in your body.
Okay.
Meaning, like, I know it seems expensive now, but what you put in your body, you could generate more later. Don't be so excited to go home after practice. Tambay ka muna, shooting ka. And later in the afternoon, don't be so caught up in just staying home and being with your peers, right? Just, you know, do extra.
Dati ba nagmamadali kang gumaling?
Nagmamadali ako umuwi, nagmamadali akong gumaling, and those are the bad combination. It's like you wanna it's like you wanna finish the day so you could stack days, but you're not putting forth the full 100%, diba, of what you could do in that day. So that's it. You're gonna get better regardless, right? But no, I think just stay later and find a gym. When I first got to the Philippines, when I got home, I was home na. Ayan. Diretso na tayo dito. Ayan.
Red light camera ahead.
So talagang, alam mo yun, stay at the present. Isa-isahin mo lang yung araw.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah.
Kumbaga, nothing worth comes easy.
Yeah.
Diba?
Nothing good comes
Red
easy.
light camera ahead.
Diba? I would have just put more effort in. And before, the strength and conditioning coach wasn't like how it is now, right? That's just a new phase. But there were people doing certain things, like in the fort, meron silang plyo sa fort, sa Adidas camp, ayun, and meron guy, Coach Kirk Collier, he was doing plyos and doing all this stuff. Parang nahihiya lang ako. Gusto ko talaga pumunta sa kanya.
Okay.
Pero nahihiya lang ako, or I was thinking like, baka mapagod ako for the next day. But you know, it was something that I should have done. Yeah, that would be my left tayo dito. Bilis nitong kotse nito, bro.
So sir, nandito na po tayo sa location nyo.
Parang nasa Korean, Taiwan lang ako.
Thank you for riding with
Nag-EV. Nag-EV.
Okay.
Bro, thank you so much.
Ay, wait lang. So that's for our first podcast.
Yeah.
See you guys soon.
See you guys. Bye-bye.